What's up, y'all? Starting the day bright and early. It's 6 o'clock in the morning here at my uncle's warehouse, getting a load, 2 loads of brick ingredients. We got a pallet over there, and we got a pallet over there. That's Mark Elder, by the way.
Keto.
Boom, y'all. We are loaded up. We got all kinds of stuff up in here. All kinds of ingredients up in here. Baby.
Yes.
I love you.
Me too.
I miss you.
Miss you.
You give me a kiss this morning? You were asleep when I left.
Yeah.
You give me a kiss now? I need my morning kiss.
No.
What is happening, y'all? Pretty busy day so far. We've had a couple interviews. It's kind of cool being an interviewer instead of an interviewee for Keto Brick now, or just in general. Now I'm at the Benton post office. Somebody sent me a package and it got rerouted and undelivered, so I have to go here in person and pick it up. So bear with me just one moment. All right, y'all, got the package. Kind of in the rain right now, but I want to open this up and see what we got. Loretta has sent us 3 packages thus far, I believe, and she's just super sweet. I don't know why she's so good to it, but let's see what we have here. Bear with me. This package is pretty heavy. All right, so we have, I'm gonna open this when I get back home and I'm out of the rain. I don't want any of this to get wet, so hold that thought. I'll be with you in just a little bit. All right, back inside, out of the rain. Sorry about the delay there. So we have the letter, which is, I'm not gonna read the whole letter, but I'm going to read it later for me, but not for you. And then we have a package here. And again, I can't stress how like detailed she is with all this like packaging. Like I don't even know how to tie that thing. Crystal's right here, by the way. We had some interviews today. How did you think about that? Did you like them?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, I did too. All right, so this one, dear Robert, this was my personal incenser. It has seen many powerful prayers. I pass it to you. Wow, I get her personal incenser?
Wow.
That's pretty freaking cool.
That's pretty neat too.
Yeah, I'll be using that for sure. What else we have? We have a CD. Do we have a CD player? Yeah. I do on my laptop, so I'm gonna jam to this. And then what else you got there, babe? We have Blue Pearl 1 roll charcoal. I'm assuming this is incense, right? I don't know what this is. Is this incense? I think that is. Charcoal? I don't know what this is, Loretta. What is this? Do I burn this?
You probably have to read the letter first.
I'll read the letter. And then, what else we have here, baby? We have another package. Sorry I'm so slow at opening these things, yo. Crystal's favorite color is purple. We have another letter. Alright, so this talks about how to use the incense. So I will definitely be reading this. And then we have 2 different types of incense. Break into pebbles sized pieces before using. A little goes a long way. So 2 different flavors or scents, I guess.
I think this is to burn, like this is what burns
Starts
those,
them?
yeah.
My incense game is about to be top notch, y'all. What do we have here? We have a Life Appreciation Bible. And she's bookmarked certain passages with a cool little bookmark. Well, thank you very much, Loretta. Crystal, is that everything we got in here? Beautiful. Loretta, you're awesome. This is the 3rd package she sent. Mm-hmm. And each have been incredibly thoughtful. So I cannot thank you enough. Crystal thanks you as well.
Yes, I do.
And we just love y'all. We love every single one of y'all. Loretta, thank you again. I think you sent me an email wondering where the tracking on this was. So I apologize it took me so long to get it. Thank you for sending it. I've got it now. I'm about to light some incense. Let me tell y'all something about Crystal you might not know. She is the nap queen. She will take a nap every single day if you let her.
I would.
She's like, Robert, take a nap with me. I don't got time to take a nap with you, baby.
I am always tired, though.
You napster. Napster.
What are you doing? Stop.
Napster. Alright, y'all. I just got off a call with Jacob. Jacob is the one who made this piece of artwork for me, by the way. That one. And he, I don't know if y'all saw that vlog, but basically, he struggled with a bunch of eating disorders in his life, same as I have. And he watches all of our vlogs, listens to all the podcasts. He made that piece for me just as a token of gratitude. And he sent me an email, had a bunch of questions, and I'm like, hey man, just give me a call, we'll talk. I want to help any way I can. So we just got done talking, and we talked for, I don't know, 45 minutes, 50 minutes. And it's just cool. It's cool to be able to connect with somebody, have a similar story, similar background, and then strive to become better as people going forward. And anything I could do to help him, I'm all for it. Jacob, man, I appreciate all you do, and I'm excited for you. You can become anything you want to become in life. I've got your back, man. You can be whoever you set your mind to be. And if you want to do a competition, do a competition. Whatever you want to do, go for it. People, they always say, you know, you can do anything you want to, believe in yourself, yada, yada, yada. These words get tossed around a lot in life, and it's like cliche. They get tossed around so much that their depth and their meaning loses significance because people toss them around super freely. But they're true, you know. I'm living my life on my terms because I want to be doing what I'm doing. And anybody can do that same thing. It's not easy. In fact, it's much harder. But I'm glad that it's harder because people doubt you. They tell you can't do it. You use that. You fuel the fire within with those words. And you do it because you want to. You do it for you. You don't do it for anybody else. You do it because you want to do it. And then in doing that, it becomes this thing that inspires other people. And that is what I'm so excited to be building. I'm so excited to help other people build, because the more people that live life like that on their terms, following their passions, the better humanity will become. And that sounds like crazy, broad, big picture, deep, but it's freaking true, y'all. So Jacob, again, man, thanks for the picture, obviously. And thanks for the call. I really enjoyed the conversation. Best of luck with everything going forward. Let me know if you ever need me for anything, man. Take care. I watched that clip back just now and I realized how ridiculous I look with this freaking piece. What the heck is going on with this? How could y'all take me seriously when I was talking those deep words with this piece of hair doing this right here? So, imagine that whole conversation was said with my hat on like this. Alright, talk to you soon. What is happening, everybody? Today's been a busy day. Just another busy day in the books. Go see what Crystal is up to real quick. By the way, check out all the ingredients we got restocked. Boom! As you can tell, some of our employees are not keto. Cheerios. I mean, come on, y'all. Check it out, y'all. Crystal
is making
queen of batching. We got all of our pre-batched powders, and then we're gonna put our cacao butters there prior to mixing tomorrow. So, lots going on here. Alright, y'all, my camera battery is about to die, so I'm gonna make this quick, short, and sweet. I'm about to go to bed because I'm about to wake up at like 3 or 4 in the morning. I haven't decided which. I'm all about getting an early start on the day, and that's really just been illustrated more strongly because of a video I watched today, Casey Neistat. If y'all haven't watched Casey Neistat on YouTube, definitely highly recommend him. He's super cool, like all of his videos. But he had Jocko Willink on the podcast, and many of you probably have heard of Jocko through a Tim Ferriss podcast. Basically, Jocko is this hardcore Navy SEAL, super cool guy as well, and they just really iterated the point of waking up early and winning the day. And it kind of like has a cascading effect on the entire day. You hear this a lot, but having them break it down, it just makes it even more visual. So Jocko was saying, like, you wake up at 4, your alarm goes off at 4, or whatever time you have it, and that pillow is all soft, your comfort and sheets are all warm, and you're like tempted to just stay in the bed. And if you choose to stay in the bed, that's a loss. That's a loss in your discipline for the day. And you start the day off with that loss, and just has a negative effect that just compounds going forward. Whereas if you let that alarm go off once, rise, and start attacking that with intensity, that has an equal cascading effect, but in a positive plane of motion. So that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to go to bed now. I'm going to wake up early. I'm going to clean the whole place tomorrow morning at 3 or 4 whenever I wake up, and just attack the day with intensity. See you tomorrow.